Hi everyone! Welcome back to Module 12, Foundations for Focus. In our last lesson, we talked about Maslow's hierarchy, meeting your needs so your brain can function at its best. Today, we're switching from foundation to function, how your brain actually climbs through different levels of thinking. Bloom's taxonomy shows us that learning isn't flat, it's layered like a pyramid. You start by remembering, then move to understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and finally creating. Each level builds on the one before it. Think of it like training. You wouldn't go straight from sitting on the couch to running a marathon. You'd build endurance, add challenge, and learn from feedback along the way. Learning works the same way. Repetition builds strength. Curiosity builds depth. So today, take one subject and ask yourself, what level am I really working at? If you're just memorizing, could you try applying or analyzing instead? If you're already analyzing, could you create something new from it? The higher you climb, the longer your learning lasts. Go slow to go fast, and keep moving up that pyramid.